This video explains how to use the Transportation Solution Decision Matrix spreadsheet. Each group should have their own tab. You can make more tabs by right-clicking on an existing tab, clicking Duplicate, then double-clicking on the tab to rename. Each group will evaluate transportation options depending on their transportation goal. Make sure to keep track of the transportation goal at the top of the sheet. This spreadsheet is set up to automatically create radar charts based on ratings in each category. To rate a fuel or transportation option, double-click on the option name cell and rename it to that option. Do the same thing on the chart itself, as the name of the option will not automatically appear in the chart. Then rate the option in each category on a scale of -2 to 2, with -2 being a poor rating and 2 a good one. 0 is a middle or neutral rating. There is space below to add some reasoning for each rating. As all 5 ratings are completed in each options row, they will populate on the radar chart for that option, either on the right-hand side or below the matrix, depending on the option number. In this sample, you can see how a group might complete the matrix using information about each transportation option. You can read the reasoning behind each rating and visualize how each rating changes the shape of the area in the radar chart. A bigger area filled out on the chart means that the option ratings are relatively high on all categories, while a smaller area filled out means that the option ratings are relatively low on all categories. Many options will have ratings that vary widely between categories, producing an oddly shaped radar chart at the end. Here's a good example. Make sure not to delete the headers for each column, like energy or safety, because they will then also delete on the chart. Do not delete the charts, as they will be difficult to recreate.